FEC 109. Yeah, we got an E-dinger up here. Sounding weird as heck. Now we got 2 trains. Ooh, we got a pink lady on here. No way. And we got a meet. Check this out, a 2-for-1 deal. Guess the train guys are looking out for us today. Yep. 436 and the 433. The pink lady. Train sneaking up in front of us on the other track. Goes the bottom end, passing me at 9:42. Well, 2-for-1 deal here at 36th Street, here in Northwood. Now, which sounds better, the mechanical bell or this E-dinger that, you don't sound good at all? Golly. Take that thing off. All right, there's the bottom end of, I think that's 262. Road to work train 414. Just snuck up on us. I heard 2 train horns, I heard a GEVO horn, and that bad boy. BBT 609 here at 36th Street, milepost 297 on the Florida East Coast Main Line. Have a safe trip to the crew of work train 414 and 109. Look, listen, and live. And yeah, that's the BBT Mobile. Out.